I have a tablespoon bacon fat. Table slopes this way, so that's where most of the oil went. Some oven roasted shallots. And I defrosted some spinach. And then squeezed all the juice out. Nice bed of spinach and shallots. Bacon fat. Alright, hold on. Let me finish it off. And that is what baked bacon fat looks like. You don't fry it, it overheats it, changes the color. Look how white, right? And then a nice piece of salmon right over the top. I'm gonna cover it. Time for fire. Alright, we're good. A little burny going on. You could smell it. And the only reason I put it like that, so you could see it like this. And flip it. Good news is, there's so much heat. All I have to do, shake the lid, get the moisture off, and put the lid back on and wait for it. About 5 minutes later, wow, that's hot. Look at all the moisture. I only used 5 minutes of heat, and then 5 minutes of letting it stand. Wow, that handle's still very hot. And all the chefs, it's about presentation, so actually I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my left hand. Actually, I would have been better off with the other hand, but would it have worked better with fresh shallots? Yeah, they would not have burnt like this. These were oven roasted shallots. Bacon fat's amazing. You could smell it. Come on, seriously. What was that, 10 minutes? You go to 5-star restaurants and you sit waiting for a waiter to come up to you and take your order. And we got a little bacon grease there, some moisture, but a lot of people do not know how to cook, and that's why you're on my channel. Try to give you things no one's ever done before. That is amazing, right? Some people say my food is garbage. I beg to differ. Come on, 5-star restaurant meal in 10 minutes. Where are you going to get that? Oh wait, I know. My channel. Love it.